Ooh la la. Alipearl, y'all did this. I love it. I just love that I don't have to put any glue. Plus it has comb, so if anybody tries to snag that, you'd be like, what? You're a fool. This is so cute. Like, I don't get it. I don't understand how it could be so cute. Don't you agree? Ooh, I am feeling fly. Like, what? Alright guys, that is it for the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Yo, I am obsessed with this bob. It is so cute. Like, y'all, this is so cute, and it's glueless. I had to put no glue. Y'all saw what I did. Like, I didn't even have to put powder, but I decided to. You don't have to put powder if you don't want to, but at least the powder is temporary, so when you wash the wig it comes off. I did make that little mistake where I bleached the hair, but it's whatever. Like, you can't even tell when I wet it. And with this mousse, these curls are going nowhere. So this hair is just bomb.com. I highly suggest getting it for the summer. Like, this is so cute. Anyway, the hair speaks for itself. So thank you guys so much for watching. Super special shout out to our featured subby of today's video. Bang 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 bang. Blah, blah. Thank you so much. Let me give you some more space. Thank you so much for your support. I love and appreciate you so much. I hope to continue seeing you on my videos. If you'd like to be featured in any of my upcoming videos, you already know what to do. Make sure you thumbs up this video, you comment down below, and of course subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.